この度はイケバスにご乗車いただきましてありがとうございます。Subway line, the electric subway line, and the Tokyo subway line. 次は池袋、オレンジは左側です。湘南新宿ライン、埼京線、東武東上線、西武池袋線、地下鉄丸ノ内線、地下鉄有楽町線、地下鉄
Hey guys, we are at Ikebukuro in Tokyo, Japan. Ikebukuro is really popular for young adults. There is a street called Sunshine Street in Ikebukuro. Many game centers and restaurants are there. Also, next to Sunshine Street, there is a really nice park called Ikesun Park. Today, I'm invited for small sake event. I can try many different kinds of sake there. I am really excited. Hope I won't be drunk though. Let's get out the station from the east exit. Wow, what a beautiful day. From here, we just need to keep straight to get to Sunshine Street. It's really simple to get there, so I will not be lost. Let's keep walking. After crossing the street, you will find two ways to get there. Today, we go to bigger street, because we can check the town's atmosphere more. So, let's go this way. Recently, the situation is getting better in Japan. Therefore, more people are walking in the street compared to last month. After February, temperature will be warmer and warmer. Hope the situation will be better and better too. Oh look, the guy is drawing a picture by water on the street. He's really good.
Wow, that's nice. That's the Totoro, one of the really popular anime from the Studio Ghibli.
And this one is almost disappearing. Can you guess what it was? I have no idea. If you can guess what it was, please let me know by the comment. This is the end of Sunshine Street. In that tall building, there is an aquarium and observatory. You can watch flying sky penguin there. If you want to watch what it looks like, please check my Ikebukuro aquarium video. So from now, we are heading to Ikesun Park. I have checked the place on the Google map, but I haven't been there yet. I believe we can just keep straight and we will get there. So let's keep walking.
Well, actually, it was the opposite way. Seems like this is the right way. So let's keep walking. By the way, thanks to the Apple Watch map. So it must be that way, I guess. I believe, I hope. I don't know. Anyway, let's keep walking. It must be there.
Yes, this is the park. We are here, so we just need to keep straight. Seems like this time I'm right. Finally though. By the way, we are walking in East Ikebukuro Park. Let me have a little Japanese lesson here. East in Japanese is Higashi. Park in Japanese is Koen. So this place called Higashi Ikebukuro Koen. I will have more small Japanese lesson in the future. So if you want to learn simple Japanese, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
I'm loving it. Well, it should be there, so let's keep walking. Can you see the park over there next to this construction? Yes, that's the one. So let's keep walking. Well, I don't see a place selling sake. I believe it's around here. Let me find out. Alright, now I got it. Seems like that's a place we can try sake. Well, I thought that's a restaurant at the beginning, but for today, special event is occurs. So, oh, I guess that's a place. すみません、ここでお酒を飲める席ができます。あ、なるほど。お飲みになれます。あ、すみません、お願いします。東京から9つ出ていまして、山梨で7つ出ておりますので、この中から選んでいただければ、飲みやすいのは、本さんとか、あと山梨ですと朝市さんが飲みやすいかなと。お願いします。そちらで。はい。わかりました。すみません、ありがとうございます。あ、ごめんなさい。こちら金婚ですね。ここが居酒屋のルーツになっていると思ってて。
He told me this Kinkon sake factory, Toshimaya Shuzo, is the origin of izakaya, which is Japanese bird-style restaurant. It has over 400 years history. Also, this sake is really popular as a celebration sake, so maybe it was perfect sake for 50,000 subscribers celebration.
いただきます。あ、甘い、美味しいですね。すごい飲みやすい。Wow, it's really fruity and sweet. Well, I can't believe this is alcohol. 15度ですね。あ、15度。へえ、15% of alcohol. Wow, I love it. ありがとうございます。めちゃくちゃ美味しかったです。他のお酒も東京で行きますと。はい。
He recommends me to try more sake from Tokyo, but I had no idea, so I picked the sake named Edo Kaijo because it sounds cool. Edo Kaijo's sake brewery, Tokyo Port, has over 200 years history. It was loved by famous samurais in Edo period, but unfortunately, the Blue Wars was closed. After 100 years later, it comes back with using nowadays Tokyo's pure water. Yes, it is really interesting sake.
Let's try that. あ、なるほど。Interesting, very interesting. Well, compared to the last sake, this one tastes like less fruity. So maybe I prefer the King Kong over this one. This one doesn't smell like alcohol at all compared to vodka or gin. Because even me can drink it. Nice. 山梨のお酒もそうです。はい、お願いします。So from here, we will try the sake from Yamanashi. Do you guys know Yamanashi Prefecture? That's a place where you can see the Mount Fuji. When we hit 10,000 subscribers, Mount Fuji challenge is coming. あ、すみません。すみません。はい、いただきます。ありがとうございます。So this one is the sake from Yamanashi Prefecture, Sasaichi.
Sasaichi is made by Sasaichi Shuzo located in Otsuki City. They deny to use the way of mass production so that they can't make much sake at once. But because of that, their flavor of sake is really unique.
なるほど。
It was really good, but I prefer the fruity sake.
Interesting. ありがとうございます。
もう一つ、
あ、そうです。お願いします。はい、ありがとうございます。
どちらになさいますか。山梨の
そうですね。男山で行きましょう。
男山で
男山、なんか名前がかっこいいんで。めちゃめちゃ素人の発想で申し訳ないです。
男山。
あ、はい、男山。
Otokoyama is made by Yamaki Shuzoten. It is really popular sake for a long period. The name of sake is derived from Iwashimizu Hachimangu Shrine in Kyoto. Many samurai drink this sake for their celebration.
いただきます。This one's really smooth.
It was really smooth, but I still prefer the fruity
どちら
one.
に飲みやすかったとかってございますか。
やっぱり一番は一番最初に飲ませていただいた金婚でしたっけ。そうですね。飲みやすくてフルーティーで、はい。あ、すみません、ありがとうございます。いただきます。めっちゃ美味しい。Today's winner is this King Kong. Well, I really want to try all the sakes, but I will be super drunk if I drink it. So maybe I should stop drinking it. Actually, the taste didn't change, but well, I saw the manga, and then that main character, when they drink red wine, he drink like this, and I thought the taste would be changed, but taste didn't change at all, though. あ、すみません、ごちそうさまです。ありがとうございます。とても美味しい。
I had a good time there. They gave me souvenir as well. I really enjoyed it. If you are interested in those sake, you can buy them online. There is a link in the video description.
いただきます。わー、ナイス。あ、すみません、ありがとうございます。はい、いただきます。ありがとうございます。あ、ごめんなさい、申し訳ないです。すみません、ありがとうございます。いただきます。
Outside gets already dark. The sunset time of park is always beautiful, and at the same time, it is really nostalgic too. There is a bus called IKEBUS to Ikebukuro Station, so I have decided to take one.
はい、どうぞ。200円入れてください。はい、ありがとうございます。どうぞ。はい、冷凍でございます。はい、元気のみです。
この度は池バスにご乗車いただきましてありがとうございます。このバスは A ランナーサンシャインシティ豊島区役所経由。
To be honest, Ikesan Park to Ikebukuro Station is definitely a walking distance, but I just wanted to try this bus. So I picked the detour one. Maybe it took longer than walking, but I enjoyed the ride. When I arrived to Ikebukuro Station East exit, the sky was totally dark. I didn't check the West Gate area, so I have decided to walk there. Wow.
と青のカーディガン。
ツバメぐるみの色が。いや、めっちゃギャラリー多いんだけど。
I have a dream. After the whole situation gets better, I want to travel many kinds of different places in the world and make a video of our journey. I still have many places that I haven't visited in Japan too. Still, it might take time, but definitely I can feel that the time to travel is coming. Thank you so much for joining the team. Hope you can travel with me through my videos.
If you want to see more about Japan, I'm a travel photographer. I have taken many photos and posted on my Instagram account. So if you haven't checked that, please check my Instagram account too. Well, hopefully you could explore the Ikebukuro and the Japanese sake with me. Alright, so this video pretty much that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you will not miss my new video and a surprise live stream. And if you like the video, please share the video with your friend. More power to the channel, more videos. So stay safe, healthy and happy. See you in the next video. Arigato! Bye bye! That's Tokyo 芸術劇場. Well, the building shape is so cool. Well, it reminds me some building in Europe. If you know what I'm talking about, please take a guess in the comment section below which building I'm talking about. Anyway, stay safe, healthy and happy. Arigato!
Oops, I totally forgot the greeting. Are you guys ready? せーの、ガオー!
Bye bye!